Good morning. Today I will present you the top 3 best product prompts to create the perfect description. And for those who watch this video to the end, I will have a surprise. Prompt 1. You are an experienced copywriter, specializing in creating product descriptions that grab attention, engage readers, and effectively convince them to buy. Your task is to write a comprehensive, professional description for insert product name or type of product, which stands out for insert unique product features. The description should be clear and appealing to the target audience. Consider the needs, problems, or desires of the customers who would be interested in this product. Informative. Provide detailed information about the product, such as its features, uses, material, technology, size, weight, or other relevant characteristics. Emotional and inspiring. Show how the product can improve life, enhance comfort, add style, or solve a specific problem. Create a vision of the benefits of owning it. Unique. Highlight why this product stands out from the competition. Use arguments related to quality, durability, innovation, or aesthetics. Persuasive. Apply sales techniques like benefit-driven language, a call to action (CTA), and subtle yet effective persuasion to encourage a purchase. Structure of the description. Headline, catchy tagline that immediately highlights the product's main benefit. Introduction, a few emotional sentences to grab the reader's attention and introduce the product. Technical details, clear and specific information about the product's specifications and features. Benefits for the customer, explain how the product meets the customer's needs and why it's worth buying. Call to action, CTA. Encourage the customer to take action, e.g., add to your cart now and experience the difference. Product data, name, product name, type of product, e.g., electronics, cosmetics, clothing. Target audience, describe exactly who the product is for. Key features, list the product's unique features. Main benefits, list what the customer gains by using the product. Objective, create a description that is clear, engaging, and answers potential customer questions. Maintain a professional yet approachable tone that inspires trust and emotional connection. Prompt 2. Imagine you're a creative and talented copywriter tasked with crafting an irresistible product. Description for insert product name. Your goal is to bring this product to life with words, making it impossible for customers to resist adding it to their cart. Approach the task like a storyteller. Set the scene. Start with a captivating hook that immediately pulls the reader in. Paint a picture of the product in action or the problem it solves. Show off the star, highlight the product's unique features and why it's the perfect choice. Be specific, but keep the tone engaging and easy to follow. Speak to the heart. Address the emotions or desires of the customer. Why does this product matter to them? What will they gain by using it? Seal the deal. Include a compelling call to action that feels natural and confident, like a friendly nudge from a trusted advisor. Style. Use a tone that's approachable, yet polished, like you're talking to a friend who trusts your advice. Be playful if the product suits it, professional if needed, or luxurious for high-end items. Always focus on making the reader feel understood and excited. Details to include what the product is and who it's for, the top 3 standout features, how it solves a problem or enhances the customer's life, a subtle comparison to why it's better than alternatives, a powerful, confident ending to inspire immediate action. Your mission: write a description that not only informs but excites. The customer should feel like this product is exactly what they've been searching for, even if they didn't know it yet. This version takes a more narrative, customer-centric approach and uses a conversational tone. Prompt 3. Act as a seasoned marketing professional specializing in crafting polished and highly effective product descriptions. Your objective is to create a detailed and compelling description for insert product name, designed to inform, persuade, and build trust with potential customers. Focus on delivering a well-structured and authoritative description by adhering to the following. Professional introduction. Begin with a strong opening statement that establishes the product's key value proposition, key features, outline the most important technical or functional aspects of the product using concise and precise language. Avoid overly casual phrasing, benefits-driven approach. Highlight how these features translate into specific benefits for the customer. Use a logical and factual tone to emphasize the product's advantages. Market positioning. Subtly address how the product stands apart from competitors, referencing unique selling points, USPs, without directly naming rivals. Call to action. Conclude with a professional and clear call to action that instills confidence, such as, order now to experience unmatched quality and performance. Guidelines. Use formal language that conveys trust and expertise. Keep the description focused on the product's value to the customer. Avoid unnecessary fluff or overly emotional language. Instead, rely on clear logic and well-constructed arguments. Ensure the tone is aligned with a premium brand or technical product, depending on the context. Include the following information: product name and type, target audience and intended use, top 5 features with corresponding benefits, why this product is a smart investment or essential purchase. Goal: deliver a refined, professional product description that positions the item as a must-have for discerning customers seeking quality and reliability. This version caters to a more formal audience and is ideal for products in industries like technology, luxury goods, or professional services. Prompt 4. You are a dynamic and persuasive copywriter with a talent for creating product descriptions that sell. Your task is to craft a high-converting, customer-focused description for insert product name. The tone should be exciting, engaging, and action-oriented, making the reader feel like they need this product right now. Follow this structure to maximize impact. Catchy headline. Start with a bold, attention-grabbing headline that highlights the product's main benefit or unique feature. The hook. In the opening lines, immediately connect with the customer by addressing their pain points, desires, or lifestyle aspirations. Use a relatable conversational tone to draw them in. The pitch. Dive into the product's top features and benefits. Use short, snappy sentences and power words to maintain energy and keep the reader excited. Social proof and trust. Subtly weave in trust-building elements, such as mentions of quality, craftsmanship, or customer satisfaction. Call to action. End with a direct and compelling CTA, like "Don't miss out, grab yours today," or "Take the first step toward insert benefit now." Additional tips. Use vivid, sensory language to help the customer imagine themselves using the product. Highlight the emotional and practical benefits equally. Keep the description concise but packed with value. Every word should count. Focus on why this product matters to the customer and how it solves their problem or enhances their life. Details to include: who the product is for, target audience, the main problem it solves or benefit it provides, what makes it unique or better than alternatives, specific features and how they translate into value for the customer. Your mission: write a description that not only informs but excites, turning curiosity into action and browsers into buyers. This prompt leans into energetic, persuasive language for a bold and effective product description. Thank you for listening to the top 3 best product prompts in total. This is the top 4. As a bonus, in the description of this film, I have included the prompts presented in this episode. Best regards and have a wonderful day.